Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Windows 7, even though official support has ended. You see, Roblox no longer supports direct installation on Windows 7 systems. This means you cannot simply download and run the game as before. The only practical way to continue enjoying Roblox on your Windows 7 computer is by using a virtual machine. This method allows you to run a supported operating system within your current setup. To begin, you will need to install virtualization software, such as Oracle VirtualBox, on your Windows 7 machine. Once installed, create a new virtual machine. During this process, you will install a supported operating system, like Windows 10, within the virtual environment. This essentially creates a separate, modern computer inside your existing one. Make sure your physical computer has enough RAM and processing power to handle both operating systems simultaneously. After setting up your virtual machine with a supported operating system, launch it. Once inside the virtual environment, open a web browser. From there, you can navigate to the official Roblox website. You will then be able to download and install the Roblox player just as you would on any fully supported computer. This allows you to access all Roblox games and features from within your virtualized Windows 10 environment. Keep in mind that the performance of Roblox within your virtual machine will largely depend on your host computer's hardware. For a good experience, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and assign at least 2 CPU cores to the virtual machine. While not ideal, this method is the only way to play Roblox on a Windows 7 machine. It ensures you can still enjoy your favorite games without upgrading your entire operating system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.